Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Desiree Magical Planner, and today we have a new subscription to open. So I kind of tested this out, I think it was December, January time with a New Year's kit she did, and I got the one-time purchase. So this is Sadie Stickers. She does both a kind of weekly kit that's geared more towards a 7x9 planner, and then she also does this subscription, which is a decorative subscription. It runs, if you're doing a one-time purchase, $40, and if you're subscribing like a reoccurring monthly purchase, it's $30. So I went ahead and subscribed. You do have a 3-month minimum on that. If you end up canceling before you reach your 3 months, you will get charged the difference between that $30 and $40 for every kit that you received. So just know that going into it. Couple of little facts before we open it up. It usually comes with about 11 pages of stickers. You do have your choice of like the usual white paper. I think it's called the unicorn paper, or at least that's what I hear it referred to. So you can choose that. You can have a transparent matte, or you can get washi. And I believe I subscribed with washi because I really liked that option. She does usually have a mood board kind of up on her website to kind of give you a preview of what you're going to get in the next month. So you can always check that out. I haven't this time. I usually, like when I had her before, because I subscribed to that other kit, I would always check it out, but it's been so busy this month, I haven't even thought about it. You do get billed on the 15th, and then it ships out the 5th of the month. So it'll be like, I'll get billed on February 15th, and then my March kit will ship out March 5th. So this should be my February kit. So let's dig in and see what we got. I'm always excited. Now the artwork that she uses in this is exclusive to the subscription. Oh, I'm like, why am I not feeling anything? Because that is the vellum. Okay, I think that's everything that's in there. Awesome. So you do get a sheet of vellum with this. It's a very nice thick sheet of vellum, honestly. And really cute florals this month. Love it. It kind of reminds me of Sterling Ink subscription, where you always get some vellum in that. So it's a nice touch, especially if you're doing like card making or journaling or that kind of thing. And then we get this little packet, which it looks like we have kind of pink flowers this month, which I am not sad about. And yes, this is the washi paper. So this is just individual little florals. They're kind of that pink, maybe a little peachy in tone. We have a couple pops of purple. So you can make different things. You can have them scattered across your page and that type of thing. So love that. That's page 1. Page 2 has little clusters like bouquets and stuff. And you have a sprinkling of silver foil on there. I don't know if that's going to be changed month to month. I think the previous kit that I had ordered had silver as well, but it kind of went with like the blues that were in the kit, so I don't know if that changes. But really pretty. Then we get some other deco here. Oh, I like these trees. Very watercolor-esque. And then you have like the petals in here, the swing, the mailbox, the nest. You have a little snow still there on the fence post and stuff. That's really nice because up here in the north we still have snow. Then we have a page that kind of has some trims to it. So you have like these straight edge pieces that are really nice for just kind of along the edge of the paper or that type of thing. Very nice. Ooh, I really like this. Oh, that one had silver foil on it as well. Sorry. And kind of that spattering format. Now this one has some foiled elements. I really, really like this. So we have the swing and the paper airplanes. I love the paper airplanes. We have like the cherry blossoms, it looks like over here, with a couple of silver branches. I love the shape of this as well. And I also really love this tree here. So you kind of have a pink swatch behind it, and then the tree is in the silver outline. And we have a mailbox and another one of those little paper airplanes here. I don't know how well it's coming across on the camera, But there's very light pink branches in here with the flowers, and then you have the silver one as well. And then this with the silver tree and the silver waves there is really pretty. I believe this is the same artwork that she uses for the weekly kits, and you get all of the same kind of components. You just get to put it together a little bit more on your own. Then we get this page, which has the torn paper elements as well as these little washi tape ones. They're super pretty. This is our functional page. It has all of our Monday through Sundays on here. And we also get this month, this week, and this, oh, I guess there's 2 this week's notes. There's 2 notes and 2 to-dos. So let's see, how many Monday through Sundays do you get on here? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5. And then you have, of course, all of the days of or the date dots down here at the bottom. If I had one thing that I could change about this kit, it would be to get this page in actually a mat so that I don't have to worry about whitening things out. Then we have this page with some larger trims, and you have that smattering of silver foil again. Kind of almost looks like raindrops, you know? So we have, it looks like 2 long strips and then 3 shorter ones. These will be great to use in conjunction with these ones. The florals look to be about the same size, so you can definitely play off of each other on that one. Then we get some really nice big scenes here. Very faded and kind of that like memory, like soft focused type feel. So we have like a stream and the flowers here, and then we have the roadway with the puddles and everything. Super cute. And the melting snow, I like that as a touch on here. Very nice. Then we get another decorative page that has some smaller boxes. So we have, this one's so cute. Oh my goodness. Love that one so much. We have some swatches here with like more like the vellum paper, I think. And of course this is foiled as well. So you have the stamp mark that's foiled, the paper airplanes, this tree. These have just sprinklings of foil on them. And then you have foiling here with the branches and those little boats. I think they're paper boats on the water. And then over here we have drops of rain, it looks like, in the puddles. So, so cute. It actually maybe doesn't make me think so much February. It's a little feels like April to me because of where I live, but I know cherry blossoms are actually sooner, especially if you go south a little bit, like DC area. And then our last one are these strips here, which are really pretty. So that is everything you get in this kit. It's quite a bit actually. And I have a ton left over from the last kit. So 11 sheets plus the vellum. Seems like a nice combo. Do I like this one better than her 7x9, which usually comes with the 7x9 kit, the journaling kit, the floral deco, and a foiled page? I don't know. I might do 3 months of this one and then switch to the other one depending on what planner I end up in at that point. But loving this so much. So anyhow, if you have any thoughts on this new kit and subscription, let me know down below. And if you have any questions too, feel free to ask. I'm new to it, but I'm happy to look into anything you want me to. Anyhow, I look forward to using this kit in the near future and showing you what we can do with it. So if this video was helpful for you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Until next time, I'll see you real soon.